feeling a little bit lonely. You think summer camp can help?
You're not alone in feeling this way. More and more kids we see are actually struggling with their mental well-being and with loneliness. In fact, 1 in 5 kids in Canada present with mental health concerns, and only about 25% of them get the help that they need. Mental health professionals like me are struggling to address the rising rates in mental health concerns in children and youth. That's why we need to come up with an innovative solution. And that innovative solution is social prescribing. Social prescribing is when a trusted individual in a clinical or community setting recognizes a need in an individual that doesn't require a medical prescription, but rather requires a prescription that's social in nature. This can be something like connecting with other individuals, being part of an activity, or taking part in something that makes people feel good. As a psychologist and researcher, we know that nature can be so beneficial for children and youth. And so I was really interested in understanding the green part of social prescribing. What if kids went to a summer camp where they were actually in nature, and would this help? So in partnership with the CHEO Research Institute, the University of Ottawa, Out to Play, and the Canadian Museum of Nature, we were interested in understanding if kids went to a summer camp that was immersive and in nature, would this have positive impacts for their well-being and social connectedness? As part of this study, we invited 32 kids to come to the Museum of Nature in Gatineau, Quebec, to experience this immersive summer camp. And we evaluated this by looking at pre- and post-questionnaires, and we also had them tell us a little bit about their experiences through interviews. We discovered that participating in the summer camp increased kids' well-being and social connectedness, and in their own words, they told us that they were able to make friends, felt more social, and they even learned a little something about nature. Green social prescribing is still very much in the beginning phases, and we need more research and data that involves more people to be able to further show these results. So if you're a parent trying to decide what kind of camp your kid should attend this summer, let's say that inserting a little bit of nature or some green social prescribing of your own may be of benefit.